What is up, YouTube? It's the D-O-double-G, Snoop D-O-double-G, here to talk about something real, your money. We all know times are a bit rough out there. Bills stacking up higher than a FOFO stack of records. But homie, fear not. There's an app out there looking out for your cash flow, and it ain't afraid to break it down for you in a way you can understand. That's right, I'm talking about Snoop, the app, not the D-O-double-G himself, although, wouldn't that be something? What is Snoop? Now, Snoop the app ain't your average bank statement. This bad boy connects to all your financial accounts, paints a clear picture of your spending habits, and even throws in some helpful tips to keep your pockets jingle-jangling. But hold up, before you download Snoop faster than you can say gin and juice, you gotta know this: does it work with your bank? The Big Bank Breakdown. Fear not, 'cause Snoop Dogg's here to drop some knowledge. Today, we're breaking down all the banks Snoop the app currently supports. We talking the big names, the OG institutions, the ones your mama probably uses. The big players. First up, we got the heavy hitters, the Barclays, HSBC, Lloyds, the whole British banking crew. These guys are like the Snoop Dogg of banks, always reliable, always there for you. Don't worry, we ain't forgetting about NatWest and RBS either. They in the Snoop Dogg posse too. Challenger banks on the rise. But Snoop the app ain't afraid of the new school. You got challenger banks like Monzo, Nationwide, and Santander. Snoop's got your back. Even the folks over at Ulster Bank and Capital One can join the party. Spreading the love. Snoop ain't picky, man. He wants to help everyone manage their money better. So, if you bank with Tesco Bank, Bank of Ireland, or even Revolut, you good to go. Don't worry, credit unions like TSB and Barclaycard are welcome too. Expanding the family. Snoop the app's always on the move, always looking to connect with more banks. They recently added Chase to the fam, so that's a plus. But wait, there's more. Now, hold on a sec, 'cause Snoop Dogg ain't done dropping knowledge bombs. See, Snoop the app can also connect with a whole bunch of credit card providers. We talking New Day credit cards, the ones with all those fancy names like Amazon, Aqua, and even John Lewis. The future of Snoop. Snoop the app ain't satisfied with just the present, man. They got their eyes on the future. Banks like the Cooperative Bank, Smile, Triodos Bank, and Wise are all on their radar. So, even if your bank ain't supported right now, keep an eye out, 'cause Snoop might be rolling up to your financial block soon. The wrap up. Alright, folks, that's the rundown. Snoop the app supports a wide range of banks and credit card providers, and they're always looking to expand their network. So, if you're tired of those confusing bank statements and want to take control of your finances, Snoop the app might just be the homie you need. Call to action. Before I bounce, head over to the Snoop app website and see if your bank's on the list. Trust me, your wallet will thank you for it. Now, if you'll excuse me, this D-O-double-G gotta go count some serious cash. Until next time, keep it smooth and keep it Snoop.